To learn more about SAP Analytics Cloud, we're going to highlight the key features of the tool, breaking them into core areas. The first of those areas is data management. We're talking about bringing data in and working with it. This starts by setting up one or many connections to other data sources, but can also be as simple as loading a CSV or Excel file. We can import that data using ad hoc methods, but the real value comes from creating models. Models give data structure, allowing you to bring data together from different sources and automate further data imports too. Models are the backbone of nearly everything else in SAC. Our next core area is analysis and visualization, and this starts with stories, which allow us to visualize data and interact with it in countless ways. We also have the data analyzer for sifting through and analyzing data in a way that will feel comfortable to your Excel users. SAC also includes advanced story building capabilities, bringing in application development functionality involving scripting and coding. Also be aware that SAP Analytics Cloud includes a number of smart features, leveraging machine learning and generative AI. Excitingly, these tools are constantly evolving to bring you huge improvements in efficiency and insights into your data. SAP Analytics Cloud also allows you to plan, building your forecasts or budgets right along with analytics and reporting. See the impact of your plan right away without having to move data around before you report on it. Powerful allocation and automation tools also allow planning to be conducted faster and with more accuracy.